Well, here we are again. This time, I'm actually doing something that I was really I had no idea this was ever going to become a thing, but apparently it is. So this is a mod list that I made on my own. I didn't record the process of this because I just didn't feel like it, but thought I was done with Skyrim, but I just can't seem to stop myself. With the release of Open Animation Replacer, a lot of new exciting things have come up, so I've decided to, mod again, of course. So what I'm doing right now is I'm converting movesets, hopefully into usable movesets. Now, of course, I tried to do this with merged movesets, but that turned out to be a mistake because I couldn't figure out which errors were in which movesets and whatnot. It was kind of confusing. So um, I'm doing them one by one now. These are all the movesets that I've downloaded for specific weapons. So we got Twin Blades, Skyrim Spear Mechanic, and we got Animated Armory. Probably gonna include heavy weaponry at some point after I get all these movesets converted. There's also this stuff that needs to be converted as well, like smooth moveset, blocking animation, this type of stuff. So, I mean, there's a ton of stuff that really needs to be converted, but yeah. So that's what I'm doing, and of course, to help me along, I'm using DAR to OAR Converter. Now, this is a brand new tool that just released. It's a brand new tool. Where is it? Just R2. Here it is. Okay, so this is the tool right here. I think I'm using the latest version. So this tool is, it's pretty simple. You download it and you open it up, and I'm gonna be showing how to do this. So it's just, this is the folder that I have so far. Now, I've already converted most of these. So this is the For Honor and Skyrim pack. So I'm gonna open this up in Explorer, and I'm gonna copy this right here. So you're gonna want to copy the folder that has the meshes folder inside of it. So this folder is, as you can see, Dynamic Animation Replacer, Custom Conditions, and it has all these stuff in here. So this is what it looks like right now. But when I convert it, so let me just copy that and then do Control A and then Control V, and it should update that. Now this is obviously not the mod author for that mod, so Skypia is the mod author for that. So I'm going to replace this, and then I'm going to open up this folder that I have right here. I'm going to Control Copy, and I'm going to select all again, and then Control Paste. So it's going to be pasting the meshes into this folder. So I'm going to copy this as well, and I'm going to do Convert, conversion successful, and then here you go, we got the meshes folder. So when I open this up, now it should be Open Animation Replacer, and then For Honor and Skyrim, and then we have the new config, which has the author name and the mod name, and configurations for the moveset itself. So these are all conditions that were previously in a different file, and now they're in here. So this is what I've been doing, and I'm going to add to archive, and then I'm going to do Control Paste, zip it up, delete files, and press OK. So basically what that does is now I've created a mod that I can install through the use of Mod Organizer 2, just like any other mod. So if I go here and then I can just replace it. I mean, I can install it like that, and this will, I'll move it down here, so this will obviously not overwrite this because it's a completely different structure, folder structure. so I'd want to naturally disable the DAR version as soon as I've installed the OAR version. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm going to continue doing this just for a little while, or actually, yeah, I mean, I'm going to finish this up and then I'm going to test it. I might cut the video because it's probably going to be pretty boring as I go through this, so I'm probably going to cut it. Okay, so we just finished doing all the conversions. As you can see here, we got Modern Combat Movesets and then Modern Combat Movesets Open Animation Replacer. It took maybe like 10-15 minutes. Wasn't that long of a process, really. I haven't processed everything, so we still have these that need to be processed, but the movesets have all been finished. I did this earlier with the entire merge, and it was mostly successful. I think only one animation set was giving me issues, but that was with an older version of the DAR to OAR converter, so, you know. So I'm going to start Skyrim, and let me just make sure that's recording. So we're going to go into the game. Hopefully we don't get any errors, but we'll see. We will see. Anything? I don't see any errors, actually. Okay, that's good. That's really good. Let me just make sure my volume is low. Alright, cool. So we got the volume down. Alright, so let's see. These movesets appear to be working still. Everything appears to be working. Let me just launch. Alright, cool. So these are the animations. It looks like they're working. This twin blades thing here. Weapon type in right hand. So we got, is that working? Should be working. Got a bunch of different weapons here. Seems to be the greatsword animation still. I'm not really sure why it's using the wrong animations. But I mean to figure that out. Let's see if our claws are working. Alright, well. Alright, that seems to be working good. Okay. So no errors this time. That's really good. Because the last time I did this, I had errors in Open Animation Replacer. So no problems detected. So these, I mean, okay. So right now, there's really not much reason to do this. I mean, if you want to do this, you can, and there's a few reasons why you should. First of all, like you just saw in the game, there were several different. Okay, so there's like a big legacy folder, and then there's like other folders. Like there's a folder for each one of these mods here, and if you want to make it easier to like diagnose problems with animations and movesets and stuff like that, then converting is probably a good idea. So I'm gonna now do the same thing with these, or at least some of these. I do believe that the issue that I had the last time was possibly with I do believe it was possibly with Smooth Moveset, although I'm not 100% certain, but I think it was. So I'm going to open this folder up here. It contains a bunch. Okay, cool. So I just need this. So let's do copy and then paste. That is not the person here. So smooth moveset by Skypea. So let's get this and then smooth moveset. And we need this folder. Let's do convert. What the? Okay. What is this? We have a error. Okay. One of our first errors, the input string xpmse was not in correct format. Okay, so maybe this was the problem that I was having last time. I'm not sure. Conversion successful. Okay, let's try it out in game. But so I need this stuff. So let's grab, copy and paste, and then zip it up. Alright, cool. So we got smooth moveset, open animation replacer. So let's enable and disable. And then let's go back into the game and see if there is in fact a issue there and if it can be fixed. Oh dear. Alright, let's see. Smooth moveset. Where is that? I do not. Oh, wait. Okay, here it is. So smooth moveset character. Anything? No problems. Okay, I'm wondering what that error was, because if there's no problems here and the animations seem to be working, I mean, they seem to be working, right? Everything is all good. Weapon type claw. Let's see. When I equip my claws, is this the way it looked before, or is there... I'm not really sure. I can't remember. That claw looks a little weird, though. I don't know why it looks like that. Is that one of the errors? I'm not really sure, because I have... It's not telling me that there's any errors here, so I really have no idea if there's actually an error or not. But, I mean, everything seems to be well, so maybe it's not important. I'm not really sure. So at the end of the day, again, this program is still fairly new, so you know, use at your own risk, I guess. But for now, I mean, it seems like a good way to convert your movesets and your other dynamic animation replacer mods into open animation replacer mods, which I'm not really sure if doing it this way or manually doing it is better at the moment. I mean, it's working for me, and I'm gonna probably play test it for like a couple more hours, you know, just to be sure, I guess. But I mean, for now it seems fine. So, yeah.